Doorbell's just rang. I've been waiting for this package for the longest time ever and I'm so excited.
Hi, I've got a delivery for you.
Thank you.
I just need you to sign for it here.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
Bye. Have a nice day. Hi everyone, as you've just seen, I have picked up a package. This was kindly sent to me by victoriasmoon. They are a diamond painting company. They asked me if I would like to try this and that there is a special code for my subscribers to get a discount, so I gladly accepted. Of course, you all love seeing crafty things and this is a new craft, so I thought it would be really nice to share it with you all. So what I'm going to do is unpackage this, show you all of the contents of what's inside, just explain what a diamond painting is, and I'll get you started on how to do it. So this is what's inside the package. So when you go onto their website, they've got different canvas prints and designs that you can choose from. They also have different sizes as well, and you can use the search engine on their website to choose what you'd like. So this here is the size that I have selected, and the image that I selected is like the enchanted rose in Beauty and the Beast. I thought this is going to look so beautiful in a diamond painting. So you can see here there's numbers and symbols. So what a diamond painting is that it's like a paint by numbers kit. And it also kind of looks like cross stitching, but I've heard it's seriously addictive. So you can see these are the resin pieces, or the diamonds. They are also called drills. So you've got all of the colours that come in the kit to correspond with the painting. And here you can see each packet and each colour has a reference number, and this corresponds with what's on here. Now when you're choosing your drills, there is an option for round drills or square drills. I've chosen the square ones. The majority of people do choose square, and that's simply just because it kind of looks more pleasing to the eye. It looks complete and there's no spaces. So if you're using the round ones, there are going to be a little bit of space. So if you're closer to the canvas, you will be able to see that. Right, so in your kit, you're going to have the canvas. Then you've got your drills or your diamond resin pieces. Next, you're going to find your diamond picker pen. So let me just show you all. This is what you're going to get. Now, it might not be exactly like this. It depends on the company that you use and the kit that you've got. But this is one of the best that I have seen. It's beautiful. It's even got crystals inside the pen. So this here is your diamond picker, and this is for single diamonds. Let's have a look at what else there is in this kit. So here are the other contents in the kit. This is another diamond pen picker, but this one is different because it picks up multiple drills at a time, or multiple diamonds. Again, this is one of the best pens that I have seen, so this company and kit is really good because I've seen ones that only pick up 3 at max. This one, as you can see, can pick up quite a lot. So the next thing that you're going to have in your kit is this. This is a sticky wax and it helps you to pick up the diamonds. And the way that you use this is that you peel this protective layer off, take your pen, and if you're going to use a multi-picker or the single, you just take it, place it inside your wax, and out. And now you can see that it has picked up the wax. The next thing that you'll find in your kit is this little tray. This is to hold all of your diamonds in. You're also going to receive some sharp tweezers. This is just so that you can hold the diamonds, move them around, or anything like that. Now that I've gone through everything that you're going to be receiving in your package, I'm going to open one of these colours and show you how to sort it in your tray. So take your diamonds, open them up, place them in your tray, and then what you want to do is give your tray a shake so that all of the diamonds can fall into the grooves here and turn the right way up. So you can see here they're all arranged and they're all the right way up. So I'm now going to show you the canvas. You've got this protective side here, you're going to peel that away, and then you can see this is super sticky. This is going to hold your diamonds in place. And you can see that it's color coded with all of the symbols as well. So let's have a look here. We'll start right at the corner here. So look at that symbol there. Going to match it up. They give you a paper as well, so that's handy. And here it is, that's the symbol. And so the number we're looking for is 20 or 931. So then you're going to go through your bag, look at all the numbers until you get the matching one. So here's number 20, 931. So you're going to use this colour for this symbol. So you keep doing that, you look at all of the symbols and you work your way up using each of the diamond colours. And so here you can see using the multi-picker pen is really good for this area here, because you can just work the line all the way down really easily. But now I'm just going to show you how to actually have a go at this. So I'm going with a single side here just to show you first. So you're going to pick up your diamond just like that, and then you're going to place it in the corner matching the symbol and colour. Now I'm trying the finer tip here. I've just gone ahead and stabbed it inside my wax, and now you're going to pick it up and just place it along there. So this time let's try our multi-picker pen now. You're going to take your wax, place it inside there. So I've arranged them here, ready to pick up with the multi-picker. So I've got them all picked up in this pen now. So I've managed to pick up 9 in this pen. You might even be able to fit 10 in there. And then we're going to just place it along here. So you can see how handy that is. And if you need to move anything along, or just change the position, you can always do that with your tweezers. When you're working on your canvas, make sure that you peel up just a little at a time, because you don't want anything sticking to your canvas and messing it up. And once you're done, just seal it back down. So you can see this is going to take me a very long time. It's a big canvas. Once you've completed the whole diamond painting, you can frame them, and you need to seal them with Mod Podge. These make really nice Christmas gifts as well, so that's an option. Make sure that you check the description box, because I'm going to leave the link to the canvas that I picked out and the company's website along with a discount code for you. If you have found this video helpful, especially if you're a beginner like me, or it's just inspired you to try a new craft, please leave me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and make sure you're subscribed to this channel to see more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. And